Hello and welcome back to RLTV. We're down here in Raleigh with the North Carolina Landscape Branch. Hi Mark, hi Brad, how are you guys doing today?
Doing fine, thanks.
Good, Courtney, thank you.
Thanks for joining us. So Brad, tell us a little bit about this project, what it is, what the scope is, how things are going.
Things are going pretty well. This is a retail shopping, commercial office space, and multifamily housing facility. The development company is Hines and Columbia Development. And we kind of started this off through the bidding process and working through that. We've got two different contracts with two different general contractors out here. And so we've worked with both of them throughout the project and done some individual work with the development company as well.
Great. So Mark, what's the scope of this project?
Okay, Courtney, well, here at Fenton, we have two contractors that we are under contract with. One is Orr Construction, and with Orr Construction, our scope of the work was to install green blue soil path system, along with a lot of soil work, a lot of hardscape, site amenities, and our landscaping. Then we also have another contract with Samet Construction, and with Samet, we are doing hardscape, landscape, irrigation. We did soil export and import. We did some terrace work. We did pavers up on terraces where we had to crane in a bunch of material. We also did the landscaping here as well.
A lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work.
All right, so Brad, what were some of the unique challenges or aspects of this project?
So we had a lot of schedule delays from the beginning, which in turn turned into a lot of accelerations later on in it. And so it kind of went back and forth with that. And then just the site logistics of this size of site, working with two different general contractors who own their own real estate out here, just made it very challenging to move around and work around out here.
So Mark, when's this project expected to wrap up, and what do you have coming up that you're working on?
Okay. Well, the original contract that we had with Orr is 100% complete. And that completed on April 4th of this year. Our Samet Construction, our contract with them, we're going to finish up around Thanksgiving. And where after that to be determined.
Okay, great. Brad, what about you? What's next for you?
I'm going just down the street working on the downtown Cary Park project.
Okay, excellent. Well, Brad, Mark, thanks so much for joining us today.
Before we sign off, I would like to mention a couple of guys.
Please do.
Dave Ziedler started this project as field manager for us. Did a fantastic job working through the earthwork and part of the hardscape package of it. And I'd like to mention Dan Flake and Hunter Nielsen too. It's been a big team effort to get this job done. Marcelo De Sosa, you noticed the nice to see you sign at the beginning. He headed up most of this hardscape work and really pushed through some of the acceleration times to get it done. And so he's done a fantastic job as well.
All right, well, great job to the teams involved. Thanks again, guys.
Awesome.
Good seeing you today.
Well, thank you.
And thank you for joining RLTV. We'll see you next time.